Meet Zhongrong International Capital Management Limited. Since 2014, we've helped tens of thousands of clients to increase their capital with our innovative automated trading products. We've tested hundreds of strategies and selected those that generate the highest passive income for our customers. No need to spend hours researching market trends and microeconomic data. For most investors, the best solution is to entrust their capital to professionals and live by the motto, I can relax while my money works for me. When you choose Zhongrong Capital, you choose the future. We are a professional team of Forex and cryptocurrency traders, strategists, and programmers. Our top priorities are financial stability and complete security of your funds. Every day, our experienced traders work hard so that you can earn more, faster, and easier. Zhongrong offers a range of 8 investment plans for all budgets. Deposit from $10 for just 5 days. Thanks to our uniquely efficient trading algorithms, you can easily earn 0.7% and more every day. Our premium clients who choose VIP deposits make up to 2.2% a day. Zhongrong Capital is an international company founded on May 30th, 2014, and licensed by the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission. Easy withdrawals. You can withdraw your funds to any of the popular payment systems supported by our platform. When you make your first account top-up, you'll get a 20% bonus in our internal currency, Kong. 1 Kong always equals $1 US. You can buy and sell Kong in your investment dashboard. You'll earn even more if you help us promote Zhongrong Capital. Write about us on social media, blogs, forums, and Telegram channels, and get up to 20 Kong per post. Or create a YouTube review and earn up to 200 Kong. Recommend Zhongrong Capital to your friends and earn a rebate of up to 21% on every deposit they make. Zhongrong Capital uses an optimized system of career growth and partner rewards. We offer a linear partner career path and 10 referral levels. Save time and increase your income with our unique trading bot. We offer 5 upgrade levels with a revenue of up to 3.5% a day. Deposit and withdraw funds, monitor your earnings and referrals, purchase a trading bot, view your transaction history, all within a single handy dashboard. We don't copy what our competitors do. Instead, we create and implement innovations. Every day, we become better and always achieve our goals. We instantly adapt to changes in the market, and this helps us retain our leadership position in the business. Make your first deposit with Zhongrong Capital and discover how easy it is to make money with algorithmic trading.